Hey there, welcome back to AI Code King. There are many things in this world that are overrated, like the usefulness of comments in code, the likelihood of a bug being fixed on the first try, and the existence of a simple programming task. And another such overrated thing is Perplexity. I just don't get how they're making millions by simply combining GPT-4 with search results and summarizing articles. But I guess that's society for you. It's like they're taking advantage of people's willingness to pay for convenience without really providing any unique value. Paying $20 to Perplexity and then researching through it is just as time-consuming for me as doing a Google search. Because ultimately, you need to cross-check the data it produces with verified sources. It's not like you can blindly trust the information it provides. Have you ever seen those facts that get shared on social media only to find out they're completely false? You need to be careful when it comes to relying on AI-generated information. To be real, I just think that it's not worth the price. But if I could find something that's open source and similar to Perplexity, maybe I could give it a try. And that's exactly what I did. I started searching for alternatives, and I was determined to find something that would meet my needs. After searching high and low, I stumbled upon two alternatives. The first one is Morphic. Morphic is very similar to Perplexity, and you can actually check it out by going to their website. They've even open-sourced the code, so you can get it installed locally. However, the issue I faced with it was that it didn't work with anything other than OpenAI APIs. So, that didn't work out for me. I was hoping to find something that would give me more flexibility and control over the models I use. But then I found out about this repo called LLocalSearch. This is not a big repo as of now, but it has some great potential, and it works with Ollama. The UI is a bit lacking when compared to Perplexity, but I can work with that. The best part is that it doesn't require any API keys for search or anything. It does it all locally via web scraping, which is pretty cool. It's also very easy to install, and the community seems to be very active and supportive. So, let's get started with setting up LLocalSearch. First, come to this LLocalSearch repo and scroll down to the bottom. Here, you'll find the installation instructions under the Run Latest Release section. But before running them, we'll need to install Ollama and Docker. First, let's install Ollama. It's pretty easy. Just go to Ollama's website, choose your operating system, and get it installed. Then, go to the Docker website and download Docker Desktop based on your OS, and follow through the steps shown on screen. Don't worry if you're not familiar with Docker. It's a great tool for containerization, and it's really easy to use. Once you're done, come back to this page, and let's execute these commands one by one. First, copy this command and paste it into your terminal. This will clone this repo onto your machine. Then, copy and run the second command. Once done, copy and run the third command. Now, the application is running. Go to localhost with port 3000, and you'll see this screen. This application by default uses Hermes 2 Pro, which is a model based on Mixtral 7B. It's pretty good and on par with Llama 3. It currently does not support Llama 3 because it does not support tool calling yet, but I'm sure that will change soon. Anyway, you don't need to do anything now. Just enter what you want to know about. When you enter your first prompt, it will check with Ollama if it has that model installed locally. If it's not available locally, it will automatically download it and install it, and then it will continue with the search and produce the output. Here, I've asked it how much Ollama weighs, and it provides correct responses. It also appends the sources at the bottom of the message, so you can cross-check if needed. I love how transparent it is. You can see exactly where the information is coming from. And the best part is that it's not just limited to searching the web. You can also use it to generate text, summarize articles, and even create chatbots. The possibilities are endless, and I'm excited to see what the community comes up with. Pretty cool, right? I really like this one. It's super easy to install, and it's fully local. You don't need any API keys. Isn't that cool? Let me know if you'll be using this in the comments. Also, if you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye.